Today, I'll show you how to redirect a page in WordPress without using any plugins. So whether you're cleaning up old URLs or guiding users to new content, this method gives you full control. So to get started, go ahead and open the page where you want to add a redirection to. Go ahead and highlight the specific word that you want to link and click on this link icon at the top of your screen, and then select the specific page that you want to highlight. So make sure to link the page that you want to highlight and click on the save button at the top right of your screen to save your changes to your website. So let's try out if the changes have been made and if this link buttons works. So let's view this page live first, and then in here go ahead and click on the linked word. And if it does redirect you to the page that you have selected, it means that you have successfully redirect a page on WordPress website. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more web development tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of redirects you're setting up.